It is time to drain the damn swamp. We're also going to unleash American energy, including shale oil, natural gas, It's going to be a beautiful thing to watch. Yes? Is that okay? Good. I want you to be very happy. It's very important to me.
Finally, we tonight are on the stage together, Donald Trump and I. Donald, it's good to be with you. We're going to have a debate where we are talking about the important issues facing our country. And I want us to do more to support people who are struggling to balance family, and does a great job doing it, by the way, and then all the people who were employed, but people who were working but didn't have the money to afford. We just turn it back to the insurance companies the way it used to be. And that means the insurance companies get to do pretty much whatever they want, including saying, look, I'm sorry, you've got diabetes, you had cancer, your child. They are wanted and included and part of our country because they want to create a war between us. And the money is with people who've taken advantage of every single break in the tax code. And yes, when I was a senator, I did vote to close. Somebody like him should not be paying a lower tax rate than his secretary. That people like Donald who paid zero in taxes, zero for our vet, for women's rights, to make sure that women had a decent al-Qaeda leaders, and I was involved in a lot of those operations. That is wrong.
The birth certificate. When I got involved, I didn't fail. I got him to give the birth certificate. So she's allowed to do that, but I'm not allowed to respond.
You're going to get to respond right now.
That sounds fair.
This tape is generating intense interest. In just 48 hours, it's become the single most talked about story of the entire 2016 election on Facebook.